Somebody make you tell me silencer to calm down.
Hey.
Silencer, calm down.
Tell silencer to calm down.
Silencer, calm
beg
down.
He don't give up. Leave him. He don't give
He
up.
don't tire, no mind now.
Nice one.
Hey, wo.
Silencer. Second rap for silencer.
Hey, Silencer came to battle. What?
Silencer, one down already.
Believe in you.
Silencer, Iceman, what are you
want
doing?
do?
Iceman, what are you
Where
doing?
you go, so?
Iceman, finish one.
Iceman, a man, you
Don't
be.
finish
You
one.
can't do this.
Don't
Finish
look
one
at
more.
his plate, don't
Don't
look at his
know.
plate.
This
Don't
guy
give
fit
up.
tire now.
Don't look at his plate.
Iceman, la restaurant in come.
Okay. Oh.
Fire on the go. What did happen? Nice one.
Yes.
Nice one. Nice
Deal
one.
with him.
Silencer.
Give him Indomie main chop.
Silencer, they swallow anything. Sports more now. You don't even just.
This one handicap. Oh. That's it. He don't drink water, he don't tire.
Iceman is not even going at all.
That's it. If it's all I'm
Alright, guys. Chop with what I don't like. Fufu and Egusi soup. Iceman versus Silencer. Let's go. Action.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum yum yum.
Yum.
Brought to you by what I don't like. Yum yum yum.
Subscribe,
Subscribe.
like and share.
Like and share. Drop a comment on the comment section too. Let's see who will win.
Silencer.
Iceman or Silencer.
Silencer is going very fast. What?
Silencer, one down already too on the second round.
Hey, wo.
Second rap for Silencer.
Hey, Silencer came to battle.
Came prepared, ready for war.
X-Man, are you ready for this? Are you sure you trained enough?
Iceman is not even going at all. He's not even going. Silencer came prepared. Silencer came prepared.
Iceman, have you eaten before?
Iceman, la restaurant in come.
Okay. Oh.
You go restaurant.
It's not what they do for you.
Don't be so.
Supposed to give him Indomie. The Indomie na supposed to give him main chop.
Now, this is Iceman's first challenge. So you don't know as we dey go.
Oh.
You just come, maybe you just come see us everything dey be. Probably the next challenge you come prepared.
You call me Silencer.
You want me Silencer?
Hey.
One of our local swallowers. Silencer, they swallow anything. Anyways.
Supposed to give him Indomie main chop.
This one handicap. Oh. This one handicap. Oh.
Silencer still there for one.
Silencer
Abi, na
just
second
enter
one.
second one now.
No, that's second one.
See Tony for your mind. I'm because I know they They prepare for me. Really.
Iceman still there for second one.
Yum yum yum.
Alright. It's
Don't
going.
you do that though. You the best.
It's going.
Okay.
It's going.
Iceman, you're coming up.
Don't forget your meat
Tony
to
go choke.
meat
Don't
dey
worry.
there.
Iceman is coming up.
Nice one.
Hey, wo.
Silencer.
Supposed to give him Indomie main chop.
You shocking.
Iceman is done. Iceman is done. No,
He dey beg am, oh.
No, Iceman.
No, you
Iceman,
can't do this. You be
Iceman,
na man
finish
you
one.
be.
Don't do like that.
No, Iceman, finish one.
Iceman, a man you
Don't
be.
finish
You
one.
can't do this.
Don't
Finish
look
one
at his
more.
plate, don't look at his plate.
This
Don't
guy
give
fit
up.
tire now.
Don't look at his plate.
This
Chop
guy,
one, me chop
if you
one.
don't tire,
Now they push this guy. Now they push Iceman. Iceman, fire out.
fire on my brother.
I dey tell you, say Tony don't give up.
This guy if you don't tire,
He don't give up. Don't leave him. He don't give
he
up.
don't tire. No mind now. He
No
don't
matter,
continue my bro.
no matter what you do,
Iceman, you can do this.
Silencer don't win. But then Iceman finish that one where you hold.
Iceman, finish that thing.
Finish that one.
Iceman, na man you be.
Yay.
No now, not you just stop like that.
I mean, wetin happen?
Good. You're
Abeg,
going. Yes,
fire
that's
on.
it. That's it. He don't drink water, he don't tire. Continue.
So Iceman just dey fire dey go.
Wait, remember?
Okay, Iceman. Fire on dey go. Nothing dey happen. Silencer, just
Yes,
Silencer fit just
continue.
pause small na. You don't want even just Yay. Iceman, just go. No,
You still
fire
have
on.
your meat and your turkey.
Yes, sir.
Still have your meat and your turkey.
Fire.
Last fufu.
Final one.
Last fufu. Silencer. Last fufu silencer.
Silencer.
Hey.
Silencer.
Somebody make you tell me silencer to calm down.
Silencer, calm down.
Tell silencer to calm down.
Silencer,
Silencer,
calm
beg
down. Have mercy.
Silencer, have mercy on
Have
him now.
mercy. Oh.
Iceman, let's go. Iceman, let's go. I know you can do this. I have belief in you.
Iceman, what
What
are
you
you
want
doing?
to do?
Iceman, what are you doing?
Where your hand
there?
dey go, so?
Iceman. Okay.
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Nice one.
Yes,
Nice one. Nice
deal
one.
with him.
Fire.
When your hand shall go down.
Eh.
That's it. If it's all I'm
Don't let me do
Salam.
that. Oh. Okay.
You fit chop am.
Continue, my
As
bro.
you
can
come
do
to
it.
press
You
am,
can do
you go
it.
fit chop am. You go fit swallow am. Don't chop am finish.
Swallow that thing when you pass.
Yeah. Iceman. Yeah, okay. All right. So we now have a winner.
Silencer.
Silencer, and it's still going. It's still. What happened? Who did it? This silencer there. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel. What are that like? Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you very much. All right, peace out.
You
don't even chop meat.
But the guy don't off. Now for number 2, he don't off, but Nigerian will give up.
When you look in this thing.